So, the other day I took the old batteries out, all 5 of them, and now I'm arranging the batteries that I'm gonna keep and take the new big battery in, the star of the show. I'm gonna show you what I've done so far. So I have the two 12 volt deep cycle batteries over there, which were in 24 volts. Now the 24 volt system is gonna be gone. There's only gonna be a 12 volt and 48 volt system. So I took them out of there and put them, well, the other one is over there. I'm gonna fit them over there. And the new 48 volt lithium battery is gonna go over there. Well, first of all, I got rid of almost 200 kilos of batteries. And I'm gonna replace that with only like 45 kilos. So I'm gonna lose 150 kilos. And there's gonna be, now when this is also empty, I'm gonna move about 100 kilos from here to here. And the weight distribution is gonna be more towards the bow than the aft. Now the hardest part is to lift it up over here. It's gonna be 45 kilos to lift and try not to damage the boat. Let's see what happens. That was not easy to lift the battery on the boat, but I managed to get it without that much damage to the boat or battery. So here it is, the big boy. So it's a 48 volt, 120 amp hours. Should be. It's pretty neat that you have kind of a main switch over here. If you want to cut out the power, you could just press here and like this. Basically, it should be impossible to short out the battery because it detects that kind of stuff internally and shuts down the BMS. Also, there's no way to over discharge it because it will shut down once it gets to like 40 volts. And also, if the solar charger acts weird and tries to overcharge it, it will disconnect itself. And if you are trying to overload it, take too much power out of it, it will disconnect. So yeah, it's pretty smart and pretty good for this kind of stuff. It seems to fit like a glove. I got my phone over there because, well, if I think about it, it's pretty neat over there. So I might not cut a hole over there to see the display, because if I use something reflective like my phone over there, you can see that it's, well, it's a mirror image, but anyway, I could use something like that, and I can access the buttons over here. There's enough room over here for the cables. Yeah, and if everything goes well, I don't have to access that settings or see the stuff that often. I can see the voltage from the throttle switch. I have a display over there, so yeah, I think that's gonna be good over there. So I got the battery replacement now figured out. The next thing is gonna be start ripping out the old wires and breaker boxes, fuse boxes, and that kind of stuff. Take out the excess stuff and make it a lot simpler. Easy to understand and maybe maintenance also. So for the next video I think I'm gonna summarize the stuff that is different between my old batteries, the lead acids, and this lithium iron phosphate battery, so you can see the benefits that I'm gonna get, or you're gonna get, if you switch to lithium. There's a surprising stuff coming, so yeah, hope you liked this one. Stick around for the next one. See you then. Bye bye.